Traveling with a baby can be an exciting and memorable experience. However, it requires careful planning and preparation to ensure a smooth journey. In this video, we will provide you with the ultimate guide to baby travel essentials, helping you tackle the challenges of traveling with your little one. One of the most important baby travel essentials is a reliable stroller. It should be lightweight, compact, and easy to maneuver. Look for features such as a reclining seat, storage options, and a sturdy frame. With the right stroller, you can explore new destinations with ease. When it comes to packing for your baby, it's essential to be well prepared. Don't forget to bring diapers, wipes, extra clothing, and a first aid kit. Additionally, packing some favorite toys and snacks can help keep your baby entertained during the journey. If you're planning to travel by car, a car seat is a must-have. Ensure that it meets safety standards and is suitable for your baby's age and weight. It's crucial to install it correctly and secure your little one properly to ensure their safety throughout the journey. For breastfeeding mothers, nursing cover and breastfeeding-friendly clothing can make feeding on the go much easier. If you're bottle feeding, don't forget to pack extra formula, bottles, and sterilizing equipment. Stay well prepared to meet your baby's feeding needs wherever you may be. Traveling can be overwhelming for a baby, so it's important to prioritize their comfort. Pack a baby carrier or sling for easy carrying, a lightweight and versatile blanket for naps, and a travel-friendly crib or bed for a good night's sleep. These essentials will help your baby feel safe and secure throughout the journey. Long journeys can become tiresome for babies, so it's important to keep them entertained. Pack a variety of age-appropriate toys, books, and interactive games to engage your little one during the trip. A tablet or portable DVD player with their favorite shows or songs can also come in handy. Before embarking on your journey with your baby, remember to check the airline or transportation rules and regulations. Additionally, don't forget to bring essential documents such as your baby's identification, medical records, and any necessary travel documents. By following these ultimate guide to baby travel essentials, you can have a stress-free and enjoyable adventure with your little one.